I'm Ramtin Attar, CEO and co-founder of Promise Robotics.
I'm Rachel Cohen-Mirison, a project manager at Promise Robotics.
Home building is a highly fragmented industry. Simple project of one home requires 20 different trades and material suppliers to basically be aligned to be able to put that home together.
We do not have the skilled tradespeople that we need to currently fulfill the housing market and our housing demands.
40% of the projects go off budget, 60% go off the schedule. That creates unpredictability, uncertainty. That creates complexity.
For every 5 people that are leaving the trades, there's only 2 to 3 people replacing that.
So a lot of big builders across Canada have problems scaling up production of off-site manufacturing. They've wanted to speed up their own production and housing output off-site, but they don't have the technical wherewithal, the trained labor, and more than that, the equipment, the facility, etc., to fulfill that mission. So we come in and help them with all of that. Promise Robotics provides a housing solution to builders across Canada. We provide factory as a service to them. We help them build out a factory for off-site fabrication of homes, bring their drawings to us, streamline production of their homes, and deploy on site within a matter of weeks.
We are a lot more in control of the quality of the product that comes out because we do it in a faster race.
We are building these next generation robotics. We take the off-the-shelf robots that go in an automotive factory. We're adding construction tools and a construction brain to get them to do things that were not previously possible.
Everything is perfectly square. Everything is exactly as per blueprint, as per specification. And it goes through a rigorous QA procedure before it leaves the facilities.
Our offsite solution allows all these trades to come together and leverage our robotically constructed product and take it from the shop to the site in a day cap, in a day lift.
The most innovative part about the Promise Robotics solution is the speed at which the panels can be built. With the robots, our fastest panels are 8 to 11 minutes. Our production facility with one floor line and one wall production line can produce a single 1,800 square foot home in a day.
Having the ability to build that entire house in one day, and then after 6-7 hours, you have an entire house with the roof on and everything secure.
Our builder partners have noticed at least a 6-week savings on their projects.
That core technology is going to have a ripple effect in terms of how its broader accessibility and deployment would create new economics opportunity, build home building capacity across communities, create new jobs, create new skills, and essentially play a critical role in terms of how we need to create that multiplier effect to build all the homes that we really need to build across many different communities of different needs in Canada.
Builder productivity is absolutely going to increase with how fast we can actually turn over a build. That is the biggest difference that we've seen so far.
Last year, when we actually opened our doors to builders and developers to come and see what we do, people walk in with one notion and they're left with a whole other understanding of what is possible. So that led to incredible momentum, an expression of interest. Everybody asks why you call the company Promise Robotic, because homes is essentially a promise. And we have a team that gets really excited about those technical challenges and the impact that Promise Robotic is having. And if somebody asks what the journey has been like, nothing short of epic.